So hey guys, good morning. So just now I had bath and now I'm going to the tuition. So after a long time I wake up early in the morning. I wake up at 5 and just I had bath and I'm ready to go to the tuition. So just 10 minutes I will go to the tuition. Before that I have to complete some of tasks. So let's go and complete all the tasks. And also guys, yesterday also I did not upload a video because I was busy in my teaching work, and after that I I did not complete my writing work. So okay, so whatever it is, so today at night I will complete all the writing work. So when I came back from college, at that time I will sleep for 2 hours. Okay, so let's go and complete if any tasks are there. So and then I'll go to the tuition. So let's go. So guys, I just came back from college and just now I had freshen up. So now without wasting any time, so first of all I'm going to complete now all the tasks. Yesterday also I did not upload any blog, so now first of all I'm going to complete that work and then I will complete my writing work. So guys, tomorrow there I will not go to the college, so tomorrow there will so much work I have, so I want to complete them. So okay, so first of all I'll upload the video and then I will go for the writing work. So I have only 1.5 hours, so in this 1.5 hour I want to complete all the work. So okay, so let's go. So guys, I just came back from tuition and after that uh, I'm feeling so much dizziness. So and okay, so I'm not able to stand and I'm not able to sit proper. So first of all I'm going to have glucose, and after that I'll complete my regular task. And I'm not sleepy, but I'm feeling so much dizziness and I'm feeling so much loose, like my leg has so much pain, like okay, so I'm not able to speak properly. So let's go. First of all I'm going to fix myself, and after that I'll complete my regular tasks. So guys, some time ago I came back from tuition, and after that I was not able to speak and I was not able to stand and as well as sit. So after that now I'm feeling better, but not like that where I can still stand and sit properly. But okay, so first of all I'm going to complete my meditation, and after that I'll complete my writing work. So I'll awake for late night because I will not go to the college tomorrow. So uh, tomorrow in the morning I'll have tuition. So at that time I'll complete the tuition, and then when I came back from there tuition, so at that time I'll sleep for 1 to 2 hours, and I have so many work for tomorrow. First of all I have to come I have to go to the uh, bank. So after that I want to go for the shopping. That's I want to purchase some books and so many work are there, so I want to finish that. So okay, and so okay, first of all I'm going to complete my meditation. After that I will have meal, and then I'll go for the work. So guys, this is the third day that I'm going to the college, and I'm feeling so much tired due to college work and tuition work, and so many work are there. Due to that work I did not focus I don't focus on the my competitive exam. So okay, so from tomorrow, not tomorrow, from next month I will start my preparation continuously. So in this month I will pause this, and okay, so let's go and complete my meditation first, and after that I'll have meal. And I want to upload my videos since 3 to 4 days I did not upload any videos. So okay, I have completed my videos, but I did not upload any videos due to lack of time. And when I have time, at that time I'm taking some rest. So okay, so let's go and complete my meditation. So guys, I have completed my meditation. So now I'm going to have meal, and after that I'll go for outside. So many days uh, I did not go to the outside for walking due to rain, and today I will go there. So okay, first of all I'm going to have meal, and okay, so let's go. So guys, some time ago I had meal, and after that I decided to go to the outside. But at that time uh, it was starting rain, and due to rain I came back from uh, midway. Okay, so now first of all I'm going to complete my oral task. So uh, I again and again told that I will upload the video, but still I did not upload the video. So first of all I'm going to upload that, and after that I'll continue my writing work. So okay, so let's go without wasting any time. So I'll complete my work, and okay, so guys, so that's it for today's vlog. We'll meet another one. Bye bye.